Hello everyone, welcome to hashtag Deck the Year. This is an open collaboration hosted by Penny's Crafty Creations. We are on week 14 out of 52 and the object is to use a card. I'm using this deck of cards that came from my mother's house. If you haven't seen this before, you wouldn't know that. And so I pulled this one out of there. This one, well, let me explain. If you watched my videos yesterday, the hashtag tag your turn and also the bonus video with 3 cards, I had used scraps and I didn't want to put the scraps back in my scrap bin. It was a particular set. This is what I have left. I am okay throwing these out, but I made this artist trading card also, um, which I can use to trade or something, but this is the one I made for hashtag deck the year. The stickles are kind of wet, so let me slide this and I'll show you the back because I did use 2 pieces of, okay, this is the scrap of crumb cake I put on the card, and this I have to round these corners again to match up with the card, but because the stickles is still wet, I don't want to do it. But this was a sort of a long strip, and this was another one. You can see it was oddly shaped even, and I just used it as it was and cut the bottom off, and that was just in those scraps. So this is for April 4th. I am making this on the 3rd because that's when I had those scraps to use up. And now I have to switch gears and probably go check my basement for water because it's been pouring down rain most of yesterday, all today so far. Today is Wednesday. Like I said, I think tomorrow we're supposed to get some dryness. So, and these are Tim Holtz, what are they called? Clippings or something? Here, hang on. Clipping stickers. I hardly ever know what to do with them, but I thought learning to fly was a good one here because I've been using these butterflies and this little dragonfly and the little bird on this one. They're out of Stampin' Up! Adhesive back dragonflies and birds. I think they're online only. I don't remember exactly. And the jemmies, well, the flowers I used were from Paper Studio, just a recent purchase. I got 40% off. The trim, of course, if you saw my other videos, you know it's Paper Studio chiffon ribbon. Love that stuff. That's in the peach combo pack. And then this one I used the green, which is mint macaron jemmies out of these retired genial gems. And on this one I used 1, 2, and 3 of this color, which is actually petal pink. I did use a little bit of vintage photo on these around the edges. If they have, like this one has Calypso Coral, that's from when I used it before. Oh, and that butterfly is one of these from Dollar Tree. Again, I colored it with alcohol markers in light Calypso Coral and light, oh gosh, what's the name of it? Pretty Peacock this time. And I did put stickles on. I don't know what that noise was. And it's diamond stickles on the butterfly and around the edges of this, which is still wet. None on this one. I didn't think it needed it, and I don't know, maybe it does. Oh, and this one I used a jelly roll pen to go around the words, and this little circle up here, it was a gold metallic Sakura jelly roll pen. And that's it. That's all I have for today. This was not the theme I was planning on doing, so I'll save that one for another time. It would have been a good one for today, too. Oh well. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to use the hashtag and check out what everyone else has made for hashtag Deck the Year, week 14, and I'll see you again next week. Bye for now. Hugs, love, and peace.